Small closets have helped many to organize their clothes excellently. They also assist children in keeping their bedrooms staying neat. Unfortunately, they can no longer perform well due to the growing number of shirts and trousers. With that concern, we continue our channel journey with 10 of the most favorite small closet addition ideas to help you make the most of the limited space that your compact closet has. As always, Simphome presents you with the list. Number 10. A cheap DIY closet organizer from Lovely Etc. Purchasing a closet organizer is a convenient way to incorporate more storage solutions into your tiny closet. However, it may be pretty pricey. Furthermore, a ready-made closet organizer might not fit in with yours. Thus, making it from scratch would be your safe bet. First, lay out the design by attaching a painter's tape to the wall of your closet. This way, you can figure out the exact measurements for the closet organizer. Next, get some 8x12 MDF boards and cut them to size. You can begin with creating the shelves in the middle to store purses and t-shirts. After that, attach a small board directly to the wall to support the shoe shelves. Then, add more boards to host more shoes. Next, add a board onto each end wall to support the top shelf. Finally, you can paint your shelf organizer and attach 1x2 boards to the front of all the shelves to make them look nicer. Number 9. Invest in drawer dividers. Drawers are the most convenient place to stash away small items such as jewelry, ties, watches, bras, and panties. However, you may have tossed everything carelessly into it and so they're all mixed up. You can end this mess now by investing in clear drawer dividers. Drawer dividers can help you organize things better because the items you store there will not overlap with each other or even be mixed up. It'll be better to purchase clear drawer dividers because they allow you to see through them, making you find things more easily and quickly. Number 8. To conquer the clutter, adjustability is the key. A fixed hanging closet may look good and give your room a more finished look. Unfortunately, it is not a good choice for those who have to get by with limited space. You can opt for adjustable shelves instead. Fixed hanging rods do not allow you to alter their positions if they're too low or too high. On the other hand, an adjustable closet system enables you to adjust the rods and shelves. This way, you can create more hanging sections to meet your need. Number 7. Utilize hanging containers. If woodworking is not your forte, you can try purchasing hang storage containers available in stores. Hang storage containers help you organize your clothes better without taking up more floor space because you only need to hang them on the rod. These types of containers come in various designs. Some of them even feature linen drawers that you can pull out. You might wonder how sturdy they are because you'll make them work hard by containing your clothes. No need to worry. They usually come with steel frames to ensure durability and sturdiness. Number 6. Multiple hangers for the multiplied clutters. Sometimes installing more rods is not enough. You still have lots of clothes to hang. Thus, buying multiple hangers can be the best solution to your problem. These multiple hangers will come in handy even if you install your fixed rod too low because they allow you to hang 5 articles of clothing on one hanger. It means you can hang more clothes in the same spot. Now, you don't have to fold your jackets and store them on the shelves anymore because you've got plenty of space to hang them. Still, about limited space management. Our blog post, 10 Ideas on How to Make Your Small Closet Feel Double in Size, will be an excellent resource you can utilize to improve your organizational skill or more. Later, your prospect may find new confidence to buy your property without negotiation after finding your incredible closet organization. With that said, let's continue our countdown with Number 5. Unravel your scarves and belts. Where do we usually store your belts and scarves? Do you keep them by rolling them up and putting them in your drawers? If you do this, you'll constantly struggle to make them straight or even unravel them. Save your time and space by making these DIY slide-out belts and scarf organizers. To make the scarf organizer, you will need a piece of 11x26 MDF or plywood, one 26-inch long piece of 1x2 poplar, drawer slides, towel bars, and gold spray paint. First, attach the drawer slides to the back of the top and bottom of the MDF. After that, screw the towel holders to the front of the board and install them in the closet. To make the belt organizer, you will need to assemble one piece of 11-inch long 1x4 board and one 3.5-inch long piece of 1x2 poplar ripped to 1 1/8 inches together. Then screw in a lot of hooks to hold the belts. Finally, attach the board to the closet with a 10-inch drawer slide. Number 4. More mirror, less claustrophobic. This idea may not add more storage space to your closet, however, it will help improve your closet immensely. Mirrors are the best friends of any compact space, including your small closet. They can reflect the light and make a tiny room look more spacious. Besides, hanging a mirror in a small walk-in closet will allow you to double-check your look before hitting the road. Number 3. DIY shelf dividers for a better organization on the cheap. Some of you may like storing piles of t-shirts and thick sweaters on a shelf. However, they may overlap and create a messy look in your closet. You may come up with purchasing shelf dividers to solve this problem, which is actually a good idea. If you do this, consider buying clear dividers to create a seamless look. If you are keen on DIY projects, you can always make the shelf dividers yourself on the cheap. You can build them from MDF or plywood, then cut them to size. Finally, screw them to the shelf in your closet. Number 2. Garment organizers with labels. Sorting your clothes can help you save time, especially when you're in a rush. For this reason, you need to consider adding garment organizers to help you deal with a hectic morning. The garment organizers do not have to be costly. You can make them yourself and add a label to them so that you know where to find your blouse and tunics immediately. Besides, they're visually pleasing, which may improve the look of your closet. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have Simphome content collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1, over-the-door shoe organizer. When incorporating more storage solutions, installing a rack over your closet door should be on your list. Storing things, especially shoes, behind the door is an excellent way to maximize the potential of your closet while freeing up the floor space. Also, you need to know that a low hanger bar makes room for shorter items like pants, shirts, and skirts, while leaving plenty of extra storage space above for longer pieces. And you can also hang a shorter perpendicular rod to maximize your small closet storage space on a sidewall. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.